Friends, let's solve. Okay, we have x raised to the power of 2 minus 25 over x minus 5 equals 10. Okay, when you have something like this, the first thing you have to do is to put it on a straight line. Let it be a straight line equation. Okay, so you make this over 1. Anything over 1 is itself. Hence, this is a fraction form. Let this side also be a fraction form. And when this has been achieved, you do what is called cross multiplication. You cross multiply. Okay, so we have this, we multiply this, and this, we multiply this. Okay, so x squared times 1 will give us x squared. Okay, this negative sign will remain. 25 times 1 will give us 25. Okay, equals this one. Okay, let's take it as a 10 bracket x minus 5. Then we have x squared minus 25 equals 10 times x is 10x. 10 times negative 5 will give us this 10x, of course, negative 50. So at this point, we can correct like terms. So we have our x squared. When positive 10x is crossing equals and it changes to negative 10x, this 25 is minus 25, of course. This one you can also bring it. It becomes plus 50. Okay, we equate it to 0. It is now a quadratic equation form. Okay, so we have our x squared minus 10x minus 25 plus 50 will give us plus 25. Okay, equals 0. Okay, we're going to be using factorization method to get it resolved. We look for a number that when we multiply it will give us 25, and when we add them up will give us negative 10. So we go by plus 5 minus 5. This time this will give us negative 25, which means it is out of it. We go to minus 5 plus 5. You still give us the same thing. If you add them, it will give you 0. So we have negative 5, negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 will give us positive 25. While negative 5 plus negative 5 will give us negative 10. So we're going to be using this. So what we have that becomes, in place of this x, we create 2 brackets, okay, and equate them to 0. Okay, this x now is here, and this one is here. X times x will give us this x squared. Okay, then we pick this negative 5, negative 5. Okay, it means that if x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0. So that is what it means. So we resolve x equal to 0 plus 5, which is when this is crossing, and you have your or x equal to 0 plus 5. Same thing again. So your x is equal to 5, or x is equal to 5. Anyhow you solve it, your x will be 5. It means in this value, in this quadratic equation, the value is simply x. That is how simple it is, good friends. Bye.